Hey everybody, here looking at a Samsung VCR recorder from around 1999 and 2000, that time period. Um, had this thing for many years. I used it quite a bit for, well, back in the day, used it for watching VHS tapes, and then in its later years had hooks in Mid-Tower Deluxe and used it for capturing and digitalizing VHS tapes, such as home movies and stuff like that. Home video. And back in 2015 or 2016, I was tasked with recovering a very old VCR tape from the mid 80s. It was stored in rough environment, had mold and stuff on it, and it racked up the audio head in this thing. I was able to get the video head, get everything cleaned up, but there's still the sound is very faint. You can barely hear the sound. But that's the least of our worries. I mean, something like that could probably easily be fixed. But I have like 2 or 3 other VCRs kicking around. There's another reason why I don't really want to bother fixing this thing. Let's crack it open and show you the inside of it. Now this thing, I mean, despite being a Samsung product, is a bit on the cheap side. Now, if we actually crack it open, let you have a look at the back. You have your RF in, RF out, and your channel selector for channel 3 or 4. And you have your line in and line out for your composite and stereo audio. Made by Samsung in China. Man, I thought Samsung was more of a Japanese brand, but well, that's right. Their lithium-ion batteries are made in Korea. So, all right. Now let's go and crack it open, because there's something I want to show you guys. You'd be amazed if this thing still actually works, aside from the head issues. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the cover off this VCR and let you see if you can notice something that's kind of odd here. Well, these newer VCRs, there's not a whole lot to them. You got your head back here, the deck, TV tuner over here, basic electronics, the works. Over here you have the power supply. Now, I don't know how well this picks up on camera there. Let me see here. You may be able to notice something here. If that is not enough, let's have a look here at the inside of the cover. Do you see something out of the ordinary here? Yeah. Something in this thing went pop. The thing, though, it still works. I mean, you plug it in and it will run. But you can see right in this area, things have gotten a bit toasty. Yeah. So now that you have gotten to see an overhead shot of it, let's go and get you a better shot of it. Okay, guys, here's a closer look at that power supply. I mean, something definitely got hot there. Let's spin this around. We can probably get a better view of it. Oh yeah. Especially right in there. Yeah, it's interesting. Maybe perhaps this thing went pop when I wasn't home, but it's funny. The thing it still runs. I'm thinking something actually smoked in here. Perhaps maybe we had a lightning strike or something of that nature. Not really sure. Now, of course, if I really wanted to, I could do some extra troubleshooting to figure out what went bang or what smoked. But I have like 3 other VCRs around here. 2 of them, I believe, in perfectly working condition. I got a Sony VCR out in the building. I have a Philips Magnavox right behind me on the shelf, and I have a not sure what brand VCR DVD combo. Just gonna pan out and get you a better look at the rest inside of this VCR. Right there is the head, and of course this thing spins, and it is a bit on the dirty side. I've tried to clean it, got it to play video much better, but there is the audio is just absolutely horrible. You can barely hear anything. Now, if the switch mode power supply over here didn't look so wrecked up, I would probably put more effort into trying to repair this thing, but yeah. In my opinion, it's kind of a waste of time. This is a pretty cheap end VCR. Okay, so now I'm going to put the cover back on and plug this thing in to show you it does actually start up and run. You'd be surprised, but yeah, it actually is. It isn't actually dead, but I don't think it would last much longer. There's still total surprise to me, because I mean, the thing has always, except for that head issue, the thing has never given me any problems. And just wrap this up. Hopefully we won't get any bangs. Let's see here. The little pop you heard was actually this power on the plug. You switch mode power supplies. When you first plug them in, the main capacitor tries to charge up, and it does actually pull quite a bit of current there for just a blink of an eye. But as you see, the thing does actually start up and run. I don't have a VCR tape around at the moment, but let me see here. Okay, let me see if I can find something. I'm not going to go through all the trouble to hook this up to a display, but and it's playing the tape right now. Very interesting, isn't it? So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.